Welcome to How to 360 Kitchen Creations. Today we're making a bright, nutrient-packed quinoa spinach salad, finished with a tangy tart cherry vinaigrette. All instructions and ingredients are listed in the description below. For the salad you'll need 1 cup of rinsed quinoa, 2 cups of washed and dried baby spinach, half a cup of toasted pecans or walnuts, roughly chopped, half a cup of crumbled feta cheese, a 1/4 cup of dried tart cherries, 1 small diced cucumber, and 1 small diced red bell pepper. For the tart cherry vinaigrette, gather a 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil, 3 tablespoons of tart cherry juice or cherry preserves thinned with a splash of water, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon of honey or maple syrup, and salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. First, bring 2 cups of water to a boil. Add 1 cup of rinsed quinoa, stir, then reduce heat to low, cover, and simmer for 15 minutes or until the water is absorbed. Fluff the quinoa with a fork off heat and let it cool. While the quinoa cools, whisk together a 1/4 cup of olive oil, 3 tablespoons of tart cherry juice, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and 1 teaspoon of honey. Season with salt and pepper to taste. In a large bowl, combine 2 cups, baby spinach, half a cup diced cucumber, half a cup diced red bell pepper, a 1/4 cup dried tart cherries, and half a cup toasted pecans. Toss gently to mix. Add the cooled quinoa and half a cup crumbled feta to the bowl. Toss again until ingredients are evenly distributed. Pour the tart cherry vinaigrette over the salad. Start with half, toss, then add more if you'd like extra zing. Taste, adjust seasoning, and serve immediately. And there you have it. A vibrant quinoa spinach salad with a tart cherry vinaigrette. A perfect balance of protein, greens, and a touch of sweetness. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more How to 360 Kitchen Creations. See you next time.